Hello, my name is Arif Skandar bin Ibrahim. So in this video, I would like to present about social science terms. Before we get into the context, we have marked form and list of contents, which is have introduction, socialization, social norms, social stratification, conclusion, and lastly, reference. First of all, introduction. Social science terms play a crucial role in understanding human behavior, social structures, and the way individuals interact within communities. These concepts help us analyze and interpret how societies function, how people are socialized, and how various factors shape everyday life. In this discussion, we will dig into three key social science terms, which is social norms, social stratification, and socialization. Each of them provides insight into different aspects of human interaction and societal structure. So now, let's proceed to socialization. For the definition, it is a process by which individuals learn and internalize the value, belief, and behaviors that are considered appropriate in their society. For the key concepts, there are four. Firstly, learning societal norms, customs, and rules. Second, interaction with peers, family, and media plays a major role. Third, socialization is the continuous spending across the lifespan, and lastly, involve both individual and group learning. For example, a child learns to speak the language of their society and understand social rules through interaction with family. There are two types of socialization. The first one is primary, occurs late in life and is primarily influenced by family or close caregivers, key agents such as parents, family members, and early schooling. It focuses on the basics of social existence such as language, basic social norms, and emotional development. For the secondary, it takes place during later life stages, influenced by external agents like peers, school, work, and mass media. Individuals adapt and refine their role within society, building on the foundation established during primary socialization. Moving forward, let's look at social norms. For the definition, share expectation about how people should or should not behave in a particular group. For the purpose, they are informal rules that guide behavior based on what people believe other expect of them and what others actually do. For example, standing in queue instead of jumping one's turn is not necessarily law, but socially expected. You must be wonder why social norms even matter. Firstly, they help societies function by providing predictable ways people behave and reducing chaos. Secondly, they influence identity and belonging. Following norms signals where you belong, and breaking them may mark you as a different, unlike the others. For example, everyone in the classroom is quietly raising their hand before speaking, and you suddenly shout out your answer without raising your hand. Others might think you are breaking a norm. It is like you are disrupting the group and it feels like you don't fit in as well. And finally, social stratification. For the definition, it is a system in which society ranks people into layers based on factors like wealth, power, education, and social status. And then we have key forms of social stratification. For the first one is class, group based primarily on economic resources. Second, caste or birth based, status that is fixed from birth or limited mobility. Lastly, race and gender. Stratification by ethnicity or gender leads to unequal access to resources. In conclusion, together, these concepts show how human behavior cannot just be changed within ourselves. It is also influenced by social forces that affect how people interact within society. They highlight how deeply social matters are a part of our life. Understanding these concepts is crucial for addressing any social issues within the framework of our own fixed privilege. Before I end my speech, here are the references that I have used to do this research. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you gain some insight from what I have shared. That is all from me. Thank you.